Hi, Mark Cullen here, back with my daily organic gardening tip, mostly food related, but not always. Uh, We've received some really interesting questions from people that are following us on our website, markcullen.com, where we're putting up fresh tips every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Facebook, we're also picking up a lot of questions. One question I received was from Timmins, Ontario, and there's a report from my greenhouse this morning where we had a pretty heavy frost last night. The question revolves around ventilation of a greenhouse, and you absolutely should have ventilation. It's quite simple, really. I'll show you my ventilator right here. You see that lever there? Well, you can buy those at Lee Valley. I'm assuming that they're open for business and they would deliver to your home. It's actually it's a cylinder filled with paraffin wax, and as it heats up, of course, it expands and it pushes the vent open. The other question from the same person, follower on Facebook, was about heat mats, and I have a heat mat here. I would use this to start peppers or seeds that really need a lot of heat. Here's one here, but I don't have it plugged in because, well, I've got everything all started, so I'm all set. Nothing wrong with heat mats. And by the way, the number one tip that Ben and I can give you to succeed with the new seeds that you've sown indoors, whether it's just a sunny window or you happen to have a greenhouse, let the soil get dry. Dry to the touch before you water again, because overwatering is the enemy. Somebody else wrote about bok choy. Shall I sow the seeds directly outdoors, or shall I start them sooner, like right now, indoors? Well, I've started mine, and I'm going to show them to you right here. You can, of course, start them indoors, but if you want to start them outdoors, you can. It would probably mean you're going to get a crop about a month later. And finally, not necessarily food related, you can actually plant pansies this time of year. Why not? Hey, you put them right in the garden, they'll take some frost, even a little bit of snow. So there you go. Enough for today. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com.